I want to talk about this Melt Cosmetics Smoke Session palette. First of all, the packaging is beautiful. I love the way the green looks. And then these pans. Look at how pretty they are. They're actually a pretty big size. You know what I thought it was going to be, like the Too Faced, no, not Too Faced. I thought it was going to be like the Urban Decay like naked palettes. Like that thin. But these are like a really good size. Okay, let me see. The mattes blend nice. It's just, I don't like how dark they were. They blended out really nice. So I did Sour Diesel for the crease, but you can't see anymore. And then I did Space Queen for underneath the lash line. It has 6 shimmer ones. 6 shimmers. 3 and 3. But 2, one of the goldish tones and then one of the greenish ones are a little more chunkier. Like this Blue Dream I did in this inner lid right here. It's a little more chunkier, which is this one right here. Okay. So I have to like coat it a little more. And I put glitter glue, so that helped because it was like coming off as I applied more. And then for the Sweet Tooth, I did all around the crease and then the rest of my lid, which is perfect. It's perfect shimmer. I didn't use glitter glue or anything. And then we have Mean Green, which is another shimmery shade, which is really pigmented. Really pigmented. So this is the Mean Green. And this is the Sweet Tooth. And then let me do the Blue Dream, which is more like a chunky glitter. See how you can barely see it? You have to like pat it on and then put glitter glue with that one. So far so good. I just recommend doing glitter glue with the chunky ones. And then for the gold sides, we have Gravity OG, Granddaddy, and Black Widow. I did Gravity OG right here for the inner corner and then underneath the lash line right here to blend in with Space Queen. I wanted to add gold. And then the Black Widow is a little chunky too, but it shows up a lot more. See? It's a little chunkier. And then we do Granddaddy and Gravity OG. So those are the gold version ones. Not as chunky as the other one, but see, a little more pigmented. So is this a beauty box or toss? Okay, it's like in the middle. Of course, I'm gonna say beauty box because I love the shimmers, but it's just the mattes. These two, it's like for a really smoky eye. Like really smoky eyes. So other than those, it's gonna go into a beauty box. I'm glad I picked this up. I picked it up at Sephora online and it's already sold out. So yeah. And I also want to talk about this Pat McGrath minis. I got 3 minis. This is $19.95, which I'm wearing right now. These are so smooth. I love the way I applied. Really smooth. It doesn't even like a matte finish. Nope. Creamy finish, really comfortable. I want to get the full size and other colors in these. Really pretty. It came with 3 minis. This I got at Sephora. I got it online. And it's so pretty. But yeah. And then I want to talk about the highlighter I'm wearing. Highlighter is a Sephora Golden Hour Dawn. This is the shade Dawn. Look how pretty. Only 14 bucks. This is really pretty. Look at it. I love the glow. They had 4 other shades, so I want to get the other ones, but 14 bucks at Sephora. So pretty. So all these are going to be going to Beauty Box. I'm not going to toss them. Loving all of them. So that completes this video. Just a really quick video. This is the look I created. I used my Kiss 11 lashes. And I'm loving these lashes, so pretty. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, leave me a comment down below what you think of this look I created, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.